Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
That's everything. I'm going to donate these to the nursery school.
Wait, this is my ninth favorite teddy bear. I need to keep him.
But you never play with it.
And I love this shaky thing. We can't give it away.
Or this plastic orange.
Or this puppet.
Or this stick.
Or this giraffe.
How about we make up a story about this giraffe, huh?
All right. And what should we call it?
The giraffe who kept everything.
Ha, ha, ha.
Once upon a time, there was a giraffe who never threw anything away. Like
his old socks.
Ooh, I really should wash these.
And all his old toothbrushes.
Oh, the memories of, brushing teeth?
And even all his leftover pizza boxes.
You never know when you might need a flat, square box.
Then, one day, he got the job of his dreams.
Yes! I'm going to the big city to be a big pilot and fly the big planes. Time to pack and move. I guess I'm gonna need some movers with a big truck. A really big truck.
Yay! Let's be the movers.
We'll pack his things in no time. Go, kitties, let's go!
The Mighty Movers at your service.
Hi, guys. Here, you can start with this box.
What's inside? Rocks?
No, not rocks. Pebbles. All the lovely pebbles I ever found.
3 pianos?
I might learn one day.
The packing went on and on and on. And on and on. And on and on.
Whew. That's everything from the house.
Yep, the rest is in the garage.
And so later, a lot later, the packing was done and they drove to the city, to Giraffe's new home.
I don't think we're gonna fit all your stuff in there.
Yeah, it might be a little tight. Oh no, there's no room left for me inside there.
And that's barely half your stuff.
Oh, what am I going to do?
You need to get rid of some of this.
Oh, but... Oh, I suppose I could get rid of this thimble and this pebble. Oh, that's not gonna be enough, is it?
No!
But how do I even start? What can I do with all of this?
You thinking what I'm thinking?
I think so.
These things you need to throw away.
These things can be recycled.
And these things will make other folks happy.
Pebbles? Oh, yeah! I could use these in my new dam. Thanks!
Ace, I can add these to my pizza box collection. They don't even make this model anymore.
And soon Giraffe had a lot less stuff and enough room to live.
I feel like a new giraffe. I feel lighter than air.
Giraffe felt better knowing his stuff wasn't clutter anymore, but being enjoyed by others.
Thanks, you guys.
Great story, Mom.
Yeah, you're right. We should give all of this to the nursery school.
We don't play with it anymore.
And it'll make someone very happy. Oh, but maybe we'll keep the giraffe. Oh, and we can't give that away. You wore it when you were babies. Oh, and...
Mom!
Go, 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 go. will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go. Who's gonna get that big slice of cake, Grandpa?
Me, of course. I'm the biggest.
No fair!
Anyway, there'll be no cake for anyone unless you finish all your vegetables.
No,
I don't want to,
cake.
Grandpa.
I'm sorry, kittens. I can't hear you.
We don't like them.
Not so loud. What is this, a shouting match? Say, if you eat your vegetables, I'll tell you a story about the loudest place there ever was. The Noisy Festival.
Yeah!
It's a story I call Noise for Toys. Once upon a time, there was a hippo named Big O.
I won! Again.
And the thing she liked most was winning. And winning was easy, 'cause she was playing alone.
Be the first to knock down the pots and win a prize.
I won.
It's hardly fair to call it winning when you're not playing against anyone.
We can play against Big O.
Yeah! Then it'll be a fair contest.
Are you sure?
Yeah! Go, kitties, let's go! Mister, we want to play too.
Then step right up.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's too high for us.
Oh, yes.
Then here you go. Some boxes to stand on.
Hey, no fair.
Shouldn't everyone be able to play, no matter how tall they are? Ready? Go!
Yay!
Well done! Here's your prize!
I told you it wasn't fair. He won.
Step right up. Toss the tuba. Land on a peg and win a prize.
We'll play, mister.
Me too.
Okay, then. Pick up your tubas.
I can't. It's too heavy.
Then you can toss this trombone instead.
No fair.
But I'm too small for the trombone, too.
Then you can toss a trumpet.
Hey!
No fair.
Why not? We still have to get it on the peg, don't we?
Ready, set, toss!
I won!
See? No fair. That does it. I'm going to the racket race.
Step right up for the racket race, the clangiest contest of all.
This'll be fun!
If I can find the finish line.
You two kittens, come here. You've got shorter legs, so you can start farther forward.
That's not fair.
Yes, it is. You have longer legs.
Little girl, you can start up here, ahead of your brother.
Huh? No fair.
Yes, it is, Kit. My legs are shorter than yours.
On your marks.
Wait! I want to race too.
No problem, little mouse. You're very small, so you can start all the way up here.
Hey! No fair!
Did I miss something?
On your marks, get set, go! A four-way tie!
There's no need to shout.
Everybody wins 2 scoops of ice cream. Squeak Berry Crunch.
Thanks.
I'm glad we all had the same chance to win. Would you like one of my scoops?
Really?
It's only fair. You're a lot bigger than me, so you should get more.
Thanks.
Good idea. Now everything's fair for everyone.
Great story, Grandpa.
You were right. The biggest person does deserve to eat more.
I'm glad you learned what's fair.
So you should have the rest of our veggies.
And no cake until you finish.
Hey, no fair!